Right-click on your text, go to Create Shapes from Text, search for the path. Press the stopwatch for the path, move over on the timeline, turn the grid on as a guide. Drag the points you would like to stretch. Hold the Shift key to drag in a straight line. Move over on the timeline, drag the rest of the points. Select the keyframes, press F9 to easy ease. Adjust the speed in the speed graph. Move over on the timeline, press the keyframe button. Move over again on the timeline. Now copy and paste the second keyframe. Move over on the timeline, copy and paste the first keyframe. Subscribe for more tutorials.